Hello students, we have learned the second principle of democracy, that is free and fair election. And if there is election, it means there is voting by the citizens, and every citizen in every country is given the right to vote, that is known as the universal adult franchise. We all know that every adult, male or female, above the age of 18 year is having the right to vote, whether they are rich or poor, of any caste or creed, or following any religion. Now, the struggle for democracy was linked to the demand for universal adult franchise, and this principle has now come to be accepted almost all over the world. It means that all over the world, the people are having the right to vote. It means most of the countries in the world are democratic country. But still there are some instances which deny the equal right to vote, such as in Saudi Arabia. Until 2015, women did not have the right to vote. Women get right to vote in 2015 only. Before that, they were not having the right to vote. Second example is of Estonia, in which the people who belong to the Russian minority, means the Russian people who are in minority, they find it difficult the right to vote. We know that every citizen have the right to vote, but the Russian minority people in Estonia do not get the right to vote. The third example is of Fiji, where the native Fijian is having more value to his or her vote than that of an Indian Fijian. It means the Indians who have got the citizenship in Fiji, they are still not getting equal right to vote. They are getting right to vote, but the value of their vote is not equal. The Fijian vote is counted as 2 and Indians as 1. So the third principle of the democracy, or the third, third feature of democracy, is that in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote, and each vote must have one value. If there is this type of feature followed in the country, then only we can say that democracy is based on the fundamental principle of political equality. As we have seen above in the three examples of Saudi Arabia, do not have the right to vote. Estonia, Russian minority get uh, difficult are having difficulty in getting right to vote, and in Fiji, Indian Fijians have less value of their vote than that of the Fijians.